This is one of my favourite engines. It is about a 1970 MVVS D7 diesel from Czechoslovakia. Very popular for combat and team race back in those days. And this one is put aside for classic team race. I've got a model on the way, but it's been a long time in the making, and I can never make up my mind whether I want to use this engine or just get a Profi K7 or K12, sorry. But this is a really good engine. It's faster than my 4er. Doesn't start quite as well though. And it's a front induction rear exhaust, which is my favourite format. So I've got a Brodak needle valve in there in lieu of a real MVVS one. So one day I'll build a nice needle valve for this one and for the G7, the glow version of this, which I also have. Let's see how it goes.